Traders, good morning and welcome to the 44 Trading Room. Welcome to a Christmas Eve edition here. Shortened day today, half day. We'll probably be here for the first hour today. Hopefully everybody's doing great. And happy Christmas Eve to all tomorrow, the birth of Christ, if you are a believer. And we're excited to be trading today. I'm excited to be trading today. I don't have anything to the downside this morning, so if you see anything that's rupturing to the downside, let me know. I've got many of the same suspects as yesterday on the docket today. I think Amir is going to join us. I think he said he was going to join us this morning. So if you have anything that you're looking at this morning, anything that you love, let me know, and we'll get it up here. But I've got some good movers this morning. We'll watch that and more as we get going here today. Intel, you say, is falling here this morning. We'll watch INTC here this morning. That'll be a good one, I'm sure. And I've got my other stocks listed here. Let's see, Intel this morning. Yeah, absolutely. Not a big mover, but you know what? Pretty good, right? Pretty good move here this morning. So we'll keep an eye on that and more. Good morning to all here in the room, and good morning to everybody on YouTube this morning. Let's start in, get you ready for the day here. We'll talk about the futures, start off with Asia in the overnight session where we saw the Nikkei move downward 69 points. Hong Kong Hang Seng up 45, and the Shanghai and China up 21 points. Europe still in session right now. German DAX up 56, FTSE in UK down 18.54, and the CAC 40 in Paris down negligibly, just down 0.27. Combine that with Asia, and you've got three markets up, three markets down, puts us flat for the futures here, about right where we are. Going to be a slow day, traders. Many traders, we've got probably half to three quarters of the room taken off today, and we've got the Dow futures up 2 points, up 1 point. NASDAQ futures up 2, and the S&P 500 E-mini are flat, 0 to the upside, 0 to the downside here this morning. If you're in the gold patch this morning, well, good news, you're up over 4,500, 45.1520 per troy ounce, up $9.50. Silver's up almost $1 this morning to 72.09. Copper's up, platinum's up, palladium has taken a step back, down 4.39%. Crypto market this morning down a little bit, down 571.34 to 87,251.97 on Bitcoin. Dogecoin down, Ether down, Solana down, XRP down as well. Oil down, or oil up this morning, negligibly about 14 cents, 58.52 per barrel. Brent up, nat gas down this morning. Headline news: Amazon faces leader's dilemma. Fight for AI. Shopping bots joins their team. New faces, new breath of fresh air. That's about it. And then they're just talking about, hey, some things that have happened this year. So you're already recapping the year for 2025. Not a big day today as far as news, so the stocks will have to stand on their own, and we will get into that here. Let's say good morning to all. Christmas Eve upon us. Clifton, good afternoon or good morning to you. Absolutely. Mark O, good morning. Great to have you here this morning. Thank you for posting those trades. Yeah, DVX is a buyout this morning. Miguel, good morning to you. And yep, happy Christmas Eve to you. Steve as well. Yep. Tesla not waving. No, it's not. Christian, good morning. Brian, good morning. Divide, good morning. Yep. Jay, good morning to you. Steve, watching Path this morning. PATH to the upside. Let me take a look at Path this morning. Was not on my list. Looks great this morning. I will keep it on there. Yeah. PATH. Let's put it where Google is here this morning. PATH. Okay, very good. And we'll put Google over here. Anything else that you're watching here this morning that I may not have up? GOOG. There we go. Okay, perfect. Steve, yeah, any type of pullback, we could probably nab that sucker as well. Love AVGO this morning. Love Tesla at 488. Now we need to wait for a pullback. And then Nike this morning looks good as well. So I'll post them here. Post the alerts. The Tesla over 488. Days like today, you're going to have the big boost in the morning right out of the gate, and then slowly tail off or quickly tail off for the majority of the day today. I like Oracle this morning as well, ORCL, and that's going to be a long over 195. Path this morning, probably it'll get under 17, so we may be able to take it under 17. That's really about it this morning. The AVGO trade I like as well. That would be 351 AVGO. We'll post this morning. AVGO long over 351. There you go. And then I'm going to look here. A couple of things I want to look at. Okay, there we go. ENPH. I'm going to put that up here. ENPH as well. Let's see. And then anything else that you've got on your radar, let me know this morning. Okay. Watching path. Yeah, I've got that one up this morning. We'll wait for it to roll under 17. Okay, let's see. Nike, yep, got Nike up. Anything else? Jay, what are you watching this morning? Anything come to mind? F-Jet, watching that. Just watching Tesla. Yep, me too. Me too. Okay, check one other thing here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm just looking for that one stock that maybe's got a lot of momentum in it this morning. I don't have that really here. And I'm not expecting it on a day like today, right? Okay, let me get my level 2 set up here. I'll put Tesla here, TSLA. There we go. My other one should be, I mean, Apple not doing anything. I'll put Path in here, yeah. Well, yeah, let me see here. I'm going to look at the news on Path. Path AGIO. Let's see AGIO this morning. AGIO. Moving. Yeah. Path. Company will join the S&P Midcap 400. Okay. AGIO. US FDA has approved treatment for anemia. Okay. CANF. CANF. I'll take a look at that. Yeah. That's got nothing there. CTXR. Penny dollar stock. Okay. All right. That's about it. Okay. I've got to switch to the new Fidelity platform as well. Before the first of the year, I'll have switched over. Got about 5 minutes for the open. Yeah, I'm just looking for that one coin and monster look weak, MSTR. Yeah, and coin, let me take a look at coin. Yeah, same thing here. Let's put MSTR up here where Apple is. Yeah, we'll see how we do this morning, absolutely. Anything else that you're seeing? Let me take a look around here. Crown Brands, no. Just reading over the news here. Costco. Let's see what Cost is doing this morning. Nothing. Nike, yeah. Suki, I'm on Nike. Morning, Allie. Yeah. Okay. Three minutes to go. Y'all watch the AGIO, maybe that'd be one. Looking for any type of pullback this morning to go long the market. Zuki, anything else that you're watching besides Nike? Anything that you see for a bigger move? It's hard to find this morning because the market is pretty flat. No, nothing much. Yeah, nothing much going on really. AVGO should have another great day, I would imagine. It was up big time yesterday. Should probably move with that. Shortened session today. How about mRNA this morning? Let me take a look at mRNA. Nothing going on there. Nike, SNY. Yeah, I don't have much of anything this morning. ELOG. Let's take a look at ELOG. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it's almost at the high. Wow. Okay, we'll keep an eye on it. Might not be bad. All right, opening here in less than 2 minutes. Yeah, DVX is the buyout, right? Yeah. Stay away from that one. Okay. We're set. Okay, coming up on less than a minute.
But
Hey, there you go. How are you, Amir?
how are you?
Posting. We're looking for a stock that's got some legs this morning, and there's not much out there on this.
Oh, there is Scott. Nike, of course.
Yeah, Nike.
I don't know. It doesn't move a lot, but PATH. I wrote it.
Yeah,
It's gonna be next week. Get into the SPY. Tilray, the pot sector is pretty hot. INTC down, and one small cap SIDU.
yeah.
So I found some, Of course, Nvidia, Tesla, but um, yeah, there is there is candidates. I don't know what they're gonna do, but at least there are candidates.
Yeah, that SIDU looks pretty good over $2 this morning.
Yeah,
And
yeah, there is a very clear leg towards 260, and then if it's break, everything is open. But yeah, there's something to work with. Hopefully, what
market
are
is
you
open,
looking?
traders.
What are you looking at, Scott?
I'm looking at that path trade, PATH long this morning.
Okay.
and Tesla, which Tesla just woke up.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be about AVGO today. Mark my words, over 351. But we'll see. It's going to be a slow day
I
after we
don't
get this
know.
open.
At least we need to put, the partial need to be at the beginning very fast
Yeah,
and 3/4, and after that, I don't know.
yeah. We'll watch Path this morning, MSTR.
See, do.
Tesla already touching the 491 here this morning, moving higher. SIDU coming up. SIDU sneaking up on $2.
Nike is breaking the high of the pre immediately. I will have to wait for a pullback, yeah, because Nike, she's known about it. SIDU, if I see a really, I'm on it, watching. If I see a very big volume, we have a trade over 2 with 11-cent stop. Yeah, Nike is, yeah.
AVGO, I love it over 349. I'll post it here. Be my first trade of the day. AVGO came out of a nice trading day yesterday. Give us a little Christmas cash, and hopefully AVGO. There we go. Gets us there. Look at Apple. I took Apple off my radar. I put it on my other screen, and now it's screaming.
It's
By the
like
way.
Nvidia yesterday, beginning
Yeah.
at middle of the day, start to pump up, and I didn't even catch it.
I mean, MSTR. What do you think of MSTR down here?
Yeah.
Market totally flat right now.
I don't know. There is like, if it's break again under 156.50, definitely, and if something happen 158, also, yeah.
Now Tesla pulling back down big time.
Okay, Nike is doing the correction. Okay, I will watch it. Path. Let's see path.
I'm going to come into Tesla here, 487. Post on Tesla, TSLA.
I don't want to
Long
take pass
487.
here over the high 1720. I saw some places there 7036. So
Apple, wow. Nice move on Apple. There's SIDU at 2.
yeah, it's 202. Yeah, I was watching it, but there was not enough volume. It broke 202. So right now, guys, we can do it 202 with 13-cent stop. Yeah. Okay, I'm in. SIDU. You know what? My stop was gonna be 195, so it's gonna be basically 7-8 cents. If it's breaking that level, I don't want to be there.
Revised Tesla to 486. I'll take this one down and post the message here. 486 long. Tesla 486 long Tesla.
Nike, guys, 59.35, 25-cent stop. I'm gonna write it. Nike. You see what past did? Did a break up of the high, maybe a few cents, and then drop all the way back. So
Tesla target 488. Nice move on SIDU.
yeah,
7 cents, but you know.
no, it's not. For me, it's 5 cents. Like I bought it over 202, so 202.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know, Scott, I don't like it because you know you want to see when you break with these guys. You know, you want to see it pop immediately. Under
Yeah.
two, I'm gonna reduce half, and 195 gonna be the final stop. You don't want to see, you know, when you trade certain formation, you know exactly what to expect, and when you see something like this, you want to see the passion immediately. If not, okay, I'm half position. Okay, Nike, guys. Somebody took Nike. We are 30 cents. We are over the high. Good, good. Um, some resistance that I saw we have on the daily 60-40. So it's definitely we need to see if we can break 60. Good, Nike. Good.
No trade on Tesla. I'm going to pull this off here. I'll be restart here real quickly as best I can.
Pass is doing the pass to hell. Yeah, very, very, very nice trick. You see what he did? Broke the high, few cents, got people because they heard the news. They didn't see that the volume is not coming, and immediately, boom, the shorts came. Look how organized it is. If you short it, 60, 70 cents. That's happened a lot. Somebody took Nike, guys. Look good. Look good. I want to see the 60. If there was to be some resistance, we're going to nail there like almost 70 cents. And it's
Excellent
going to
run,
be a
Nike.
3/4. Yeah, Nike looking good. Looking good.
Okay, I'm going to try my last attempt here. I'm going to try Tesla over 484. This will be my last post here on it. Just keeps coming down. May not be a good trade for today, but I'm going to give it a go here. 484. I'll post it right here if we get
May-
there. TSLA.
Maybe buy some in 483 right now. You see, it has kind of a double bottom from day before.
Okay.
You know, you can be something and.
I'll post it 483.50. Then I can add it 484. There we
Yeah,
go.
yeah.
Okay, there's the 50. I'm long right now.
Okay,
Tesla.
Nike, guys. Let's see the 60. I want to see the volume. The volume looking good, even. No, the volume decrease. Hmm. Okay. Not a big stop, but it was like 25 cents. We're now 1 to 2.5. So it's a good risk reward. INTC, guys. 35.50. Stop gonna be maybe 15 cents. I'm gonna write you. What do you think about INTC, Scott? Look at this.
Yeah, it's been weak this morning, right?
Yeah. So we got to the view up, and then I think if it's dropped from here, maybe we can stop. Okay, it's continued, so maybe the stop gonna be a little bit more. I'm watching it, guys. I'm watching it. Okay, Nike, guys. 60, 60. Okay, under 50, 59.95. I'm gonna take a partial. I'm gonna trail it like in 5 cents. You know, you can put in the system, or you can just, you know, in your mind prepare the limit. Looks good. 70 cents in the money. Partial gonna be bigger. 3/4 again. Short day. Under 97. I'm gonna take a partial. Holding very nice. Okay, partial. Good. Good partial. Stop under the entry. Yeah, I'm gonna be aggressive today. Guys, INTC. Again, continue like 20 cents, 35.50. Yeah, I don't. It was a wick. I'm not taking it for consideration.
ELOG.
Yeah.
Pop and
Some
drop.
somebody took the Nike, guys.
Super move on Nike. Super move on
Yeah.
Apple.
Clear and nice. Huh, Scott? Clear and nice.
Yeah. Yep.
Clear and
Nothing
nice.
happening
Like,
on Tesla here. 482 will be my stop.
okay, Nike. We have a new high. Um, another partial I'm going to think about towards the 60-50. There is some resistance, and then we have a gap there. So around 60-40, 40 something, I definitely want to take another partial. Not yet in the INTC. The bid was not, but the ask wasn't. It dropped like 48. Not there yet. Okay, Zuki. Yeah. Still half position in SIDU, but yeah, it's gonna be like 6-7 cents. I raise my stop and I'm half position, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna do. Guys, I'm changing the Nike, the INTC, not because I don't know what I'm talking about. Start to see higher low with the support of the VWAP. 35.70. I need
Yeah,
this.
could have taken that MSTR off the bottom, sure. But we're going to stick with this Tesla trade, see if we can grind this out here back up to that 487 area.
Nike stock, I'm gonna raise my stop under 55.60.
Come on, Tesla, do something for us here. Held on way too long. AVGO, nice pop up higher. Dow up 75 points. NASDAQ marginal now, down 16 points. Not much happening. It's just bouncing here. Watch it. I mean, Tesla has a usually a sharp move to the upside here after pulling back like this. So we'll see. Path, nice. Not a big enough mover for me, really, though, on Path,
No, it's not.
PATH. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, Tesla, take off for us here.
Yeah, Tilray drop everything, so it's not already a candidate for me.
Yeah, nothing on Tesla. I thought it was going to bounce there, but it's not. We're going to come out of this here in just a moment. Breaking 480. Just kind of like what I thought. A little pop and sideways right now. Dow's up nearly 80. NASDAQ down 22 points. Yeah, I mean, I see it bouncing, but who knows, right? I don't want to get ahead of ourselves. Sneaking back up. I mean, really 480. We'll get back to that 485 area first, and we'll see what happens there. mRNA. Okay. Take a look at mRNA. Yeah.
Scott,
Not a big mover there.
stock from the past, mRNA, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Split market so far.
Yeah.
See what happens here.
Still watching INTC. I don't know. It's have a good support here on the VWAP. It's breaking all the time, few cents. Immediately bounce. Like the more it's doing this, uh, the more I have a different thought process. You know what? I wanted to have position in Intel INTC over 3560. Stop gonna be 15 cents. I'm gonna do half position. If I need to, I can add after. We have a still good way. 3560, 15 cents.
Yeah, maybe add to a losing trade here if we break out over 482 again. We'll see. AVGO about ready to go. 351. I'll take some AVGO, small share size here. AVGO 351. This will show me that it wants to break out and run. Remember what it did yesterday? If you see the chart in front of you right here, boom, right? About the same time? No, a little bit later, but we took off big time, right? Made about 6 points on this AVGO trade. So we'll see what happens here. Tesla, I'm going to add at 482 traders. Adding to a losing trade here. And reason being is, you know, that you've got a couple of candles hit their head right up in here, right at that 482. And we'll watch AVGO as well. Okay.
Okay, Intel is in. Over the high, I'm going to add 85. Okay, so we have 60, and over 85, I'm going to add, and my target will be the gap close, which is 36.35. Okay, Intel, guys, over the high, gonna add.
Good.
Scott,
Watch AVGO.
can you put INTC in 2 minutes?
Sure. Let me grab that for you here.
Okay.
Put INTC right where Oracle is here. And we'll go to, oops, can't have them both up there, Scott. All right, INTC. And you want 2 minutes? I got one or 5. No 2 minutes.
Put 5, no problem.
Okay, yeah. There's the 5 minute.
So in 5 you see it less, but basically what you see, our previous idea was under 60, under 35.50, which is under the VWAP, but every time it got under, immediately, the first time I told you the bid was 2 cents and then immediately pop up. After that, it dropped like 5 cents immediately. That's kind of gave me the idea that, you know, and you can see by the last bar that really buyers were waiting there. So there was like a trip, like a trick like they did in past, you know, broke the high and immediately boom, kick everybody out. Here, looks very beautiful for short, but definitely this is the tape reading. You actually you watch the level 2, you watch the volume, and it just did 20 cents. Again, it can go now and break, but I'm talking about what I saw, you know, a few minutes ago and what we did now. So, and why I want to add is because you have a good risk reward over the high towards the gap close. So.
Come on.
Definitely, there is a good support in Tesla there, the 80 area. Where was your entry in Tesla, was Scott?
My entry on Tesla was the 483.50.
Okay.
Yeah, we got some work to do here.
When I'm buying now, I'm going to buy half position in Tesla. My stop
Okay.
going to be here, the low of the day. So it's going to be only $1. And definitely I'm going to add where Scott is going to add 482.
Yeah.
So we are kind of basing. So I'm not buying full position, half position. And 82 I'm going to add.
Yeah, I think the right thing to do here.
Makes sense.
If you're into the AVGO trade, my target on AVGO is 353, 353.
AVGO. Oh, not a lot of spread for this kind of stock, Scott.
No, it's
Really
good.
nice to trade, yeah.
Yeah,
It's good, and now it's bad, you know. Now you want it to spread, so it's gonna go
yeah,
faster.
push it up.
Wow, very nice trade. Wow. The buyers came after you, Scott. You could see the
Yeah,
bars.
yeah. We'll give it a couple of points up to that 353 area. You never know. It could be a big trade today on this.
Yeah.
It had the momentum yesterday. Come on, Tesla, let's go. 353 target, AVGO. Yeah, right at my stop on Tesla here.
Pass has a good formation, but to tell you the truth, it's not a big mover. So I'm kind of thinking about, the risk reward 1 to 1. I don't think I have edge, but it has a good formation over 1702, 20 cent stop. High of the day is again 20 cents. So not for me. I don't like those kind of risk reward. I'm still in Tesla. The low of this candle will be my stop because it broke and immediately buyers came. So the stop is like 45, 479.45. Yeah, Nike is a new high. Yeah.
I think Tesla's basing right here, and hopefully we see a turn and burn to the upside. We'll see. $482 I'm going to add here. And $353 AVGO target. Did MSTR ever go or no? That SIDU just didn't have enough power behind it, right?
No. You could see immediately, like 20 minutes ago you saw it. Yeah, it fades. Still watching it. I don't know if we're going to see something.
Again, half day today, right? Market's closing at what, 1 o'clock Eastern.
Less than half day. Probably people.
Yeah. First
No.
hour, really.
Yeah, that's what I think. Probably today is the most expensive flight, no, Scott, for people that
I would say so, yeah.
want to go to the last minute.
There'll be plenty of people traveling today. Come on. What happened to Tesla here? Come on, man.
Even yesterday it was lagging. Even yesterday. Yeah. Today it's Tesla, Scott.
Yeah.
Today is Tesla day, definitely.
Every time it gets a little candle there, I get excited. I'm like, okay, here we go. 482, let's go. But that's how Tesla is, though. I mean, you got to be quick and you got to be witty with it because it can take off, in literally seconds. It could go 3 points, right? So. Come on. Not enough volume in there to get it really going.
Yeah.
We're close, though, on AVGO, about 25 cents away, AVGO now. Take one and leave one.
If something will happen, look at this at the queue. It start to get it. Another thing, trigger that I'm thinking is, again, like Scott said about Tesla, it can actually move immediately. NVIDIA, 188, 50 cent stop, which is pretty small, but 188 is above the VWAP, and I'm watching the market, and it's getting towards the high. If it's going to break the high, maybe it's going to give some enthusiastic, like NVIDIA had yesterday. So Intel came back, few cents under the entry, so it's not, the trade is not developing. I'm out of SIDU, but I want to do another chance. Over 210. Stop going to be under 2, so it's going to be like 10 cent stop. Over 210. It's pretty close. SIDU. Scott, can you put the SIDUs chart?
Yeah, no doubt. Yep, I can.
Yeah.
I'll put it right here at Intel SIDU.
Okay, now the volume is coming. I can see I have the relative volume, and definitely it's coming. We want to see continue again. For 10 cents, you have a huge amount, and we have 260, and after that, 350, I think, or something like this. But definitely, at least the difference between this one and the other one, the enthusiastic is coming now. Now I have to see if it's continue. There was like 1.6 million shares. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have 1-to-1, but that will cause me that under 210 I'm going to reduce. But and I'm watching NVIDIA, guys, as I told you, 188, 50 cents. Yes, I do. What the hell?
SIDU, nice blast off here. Still in the AVGO trade, still in the Tesla trade.
Guys, NVIDIA is getting close. 188, 023. Don't immediately. I want to see it breaking it nicely. The bid, the 188, but it's 50 cent stop. INTC still entry. Few cents above, but not something to talk about it. SIDU doing a retest. Give me a break. 10 cents in retest.
Right.
$209 it got to SIDU. $209. Retest 1 cent. Breaking the 09. I'm gonna reduce half. It was 2 cents lost. Stop under 2, and Nvidia's really getting close.
We just turned green on the Nasdaq as well.
Yeah. I have to watch Nvidia now. Yeah, that's what I was watching. SPY also new high. We are not all-time high. I think all-time high is 89 something. Correct, Scott?
Yes. We're not there, although
Yeah.
a nice move so far.
Okay. NVDA cent spread. Okay, Nvidia in. Maybe Intel, it's gonna give something for Intel. Okay, 30 cents in Nvidia. High of the day, 72. Omer. Let's see. I have a nephew called Omer.
Shoot. I'm going to come out of the Tesla trade here. I'll give it just a couple more pennies, and I gotta leave it. Yeah, I'm just 200 shares, but I mean it gets expensive, right? Wow. OMER. Yeah.
Micron, new time high, all-time high. Wow.
What's the news there? OMER. Anything?
The news, somebody did a lot of money, Scott.
Yeah. We made a bunch. Yeah.
Yeah. We have a retest in NVIDIA. Today the stocks are so technical, you know, they are breaking a key, doing, immediately doing a retest, like they're working by the book.
Yeah.
But I don't want a book. I want it to work.
Watch that OMER probably break out over 17 again. I don't see any news on it, that's for sure. Let me see if I'm going to look one other place here. Approves to treat complications. 933. Treat complications caused by stem cell transplants. Okay.
What they're doing with stem cells, Scott?
They have a treatment for it, but it was let's see, 12/1. Trading halted at 6:30 this morning. They've approved the to treat stem cell transplant. And then let's see, what does it do? It resumes, halted, and then shares resume trading at 10:15. So, don't know.
FDA. I'm hearing every day about the FDA, but my
Yeah.
work, yeah, because of my wife's work. She's they're inventing medicine in biotech companies, so all the time the FDA. I hear it so much. So right now I'm in Nvidia, in CIDU and Intel. So CIDU I reduced 2 cents under. I'm half position. Intel half position. Intel same game plan. Over the high 35.85. I'm gonna add full position. Nvidia did nice. Now it's 20 cents against me.
Path I don't trust.
Yeah, it's in
Really?
a range. It's in an
Yeah.
ugly range. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out of NVIDIA. This is the first, full loss that I have NVIDIA. Yeah. INTC is close to the high of the day. Again, my game plan, I want to add. I want to see volume. I want to add. Sidu also getting toward the high of the day. 220.
Amir, where was your entry on SIDU?
We got 210.
Yeah.
210, 10 cents, Scott.
How-
Yeah.
OMER, you think this under 14. If it comes back up again, I'm going to think about shorting a little bit of it. See if it gets over 16 or 16.50.
INTC, our entry was. What was my entry? 65? Over 60, sorry. So INTC, I add. We got 60, add over 86. And now I want to see if we can close the gap. 36 to 30. INTC stop is exactly the first entry. 35, 60. 61, 62 even.
Hour into the day, just 2 trades for myself.
When is we're 8 o'clock, no?
What is that?
It's when we are, not 8 o'clock, sorry, 1 o'clock we are
1
finishing
o'clock,
the
yeah.
day now.
1 o'clock, yeah.
So we have another 2 hour and a half, no?
Yeah. 2.5. 2.5.
2.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, but basically, I think. There is another small cap that suddenly I saw something going on. It's still AMCI. AMCI.
Yeah, I think OMER has probably seen its better days. I think under 14 would be a hell of a play. Could take it here, then add under, let me just take a look at it here. Yeah. It's only a 2-cent spread, so if it opens up and gets underneath there, it'd be great. let ABGO hold on here just a little bit. Yeah, look at Tesla starting to go. OMER starting to turn a little bit. I don't think I'll have another trade. I've got one winning trade, one losing trade here. Winning trade AVGO, losing trade Tesla. And Mark's looking at CRWV. Put where path is here. We'll put where MSTR is. CRWV.
There's nothing there, Scott.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, I mean CRWV maybe 80-50 or so. Market's got to get into mode here. We're not into it at all, and I don't believe that we probably will get into it here. A little over 2 hours left. Nasdaq is really flat. Dow's up 187 right now. So we shall see. Yeah, don't see anything. Yeah, I've got Steve. I got my tickets right here. We'll see. It's tonight, right? Wednesday. Yeah, that would be great. Be a good Christmas gift.
What is the price today?
I think it's 1.7 billion. It hasn't
Yeah.
been one in a while, so
No.
it's really up there.
No. It's a number. It's a good number.
That's a good really good number. Yeah.
I think every number that you win is a good number, no?
Yeah, no
If
question.
it was 1.1 million, I don't
It'd
think
be
it would
great.
be a problem. Yeah. Yeah, Mark. The minute you're gonna win, nobody gonna hear from you, Mark. You're a big spender now. Yeah, I want to see it after. So only trade I'm in is INTC and SIDU. Pass is in new high, Scott.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm not like not regret that I didn't take it. You know, it's really not a big mover as we expected.
I'm just about done. I don't think I'm going to trade any longer today. I think if the only thing I would come back for is if OMER, yeah, if OMER really took off your say 17, 1750 and that, I would probably short some, believe it or not. You never know. Absolutely. I mean, market could turn on a dime. Market right now up 4 points on the Nasdaq, 171 on the. There we go, 171 on the Dow.
Okay, Scott, traders, I'm done for today. Gonna join you next week before the end of the, so we're gonna trade another time, before the end of the week,
Oh,
of
good.
the
Yeah.
of the year.
Yeah.
So have a good celebration. You're gonna eat a lot tomorrow, Scott.
I'm going to try to, but,
Okay. You
see
lost.
what happens.
Did you gain back all the weight that you lost?
Most of it, yeah, most of the weight I lost,
Good.
I have gained back now, so which is a good thing, and
I assume
probably
it's
could,
all muscles. I assume all muscles.
yeah. Well, trying to work on that too. It's been difficult to get back, as you know, but other than that, it's coming along pretty good, and I'm feeling really well. So um, I've got a
You have.
doctor's appointment in 1st of January, and then I should be able to lift
Do you still
things and do well.
feel weak than you used to?
Not so much weak, tender, but no,
What is
I feel
tender?
good.
What is
Feel
tender?
good. Yeah, just not strong, just a little
Oh,
tender. Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay, okay,
yeah. So,
okay.
all right, my friend. Well, if you don't celebrate tomorrow, I'll be thinking about you anyway.
No, I never celebrate. My wife, no. Usually, I don't like. I don't. I'm not a party guy,
Yeah,
so I never. Even before I met her, I didn't. I used to go. In the end of the week, Christmas, never go to parties. Yeah, I don't
right.
like those kind of things.
I
Okay.
got you. All right.
Thank you, man. Bye bye.
Stay safe, my friend. And I think for the rest of us here, Merry Christmas to all. Be careful, be safe. We'll be back on Monday. So we're going to be closed tomorrow, Thursday, closed on Friday. We'll be back on Monday. I'll hang here for a little bit longer. I want to see what OMER does. Yeah, and then add at 1550. It's just the volume's getting really low. Dow up 200 points now. Pans and lasagna for Christmas. Wow, yeah, we've got 28, I think, and then grilled filet mignon. Mark, unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a big task. There you go. Good for you. Okay, traders, I'm done. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas Eve and a safe Christmas tomorrow. Yeah, love the family aspect. Appreciate everybody here. Have a Merry Christmas, Clifton. God bless everybody. I mean that. And enjoy the fruit of the labor. Enjoy your family and friends. And we'll be back at it on Monday. So enjoy Thursday. Enjoy Friday. Take the time. Merry Christmas, Jay. Merry Christmas to everybody here. And Merry Christmas to all uh, on YouTube that follow us. Thank you, Divide. Sorry I wasn't more of a help today. Again, I wasn't looking for much today. One winning trade AVGO, one losing trade Tesla. I'm actually red for the day. So take that into Christmas, but not a bad red day. That's fine with me. Okay, everybody enjoy. God bless y'all. Godspeed. I'll see everybody on Monday. Thank you, Steve. And we'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.